back to my channel. Today I'm joined with Bethany.
No one ever calls me Bethany.
Beth Worley. We're doing a
Baking. Without baking. Baking
video of senior school. I'm going to title it high school. Cakes, isn't it?
We'll call them cakes.
We'll call them cakes. Bit of cracknel.
Well, the other one we're
Is
making
it the one
as we
like
go
a
along.
flapjack?
The other one's meant to be a coconut flaky bar, they called it, but we don't have coconut, so we'll put Maltesers in instead.
So the ingredients we've got today, got cornflakes,
M&S butter.
I don't remember.
Sainsbury's flour as well. No Tesco or Asda in this house.
Tesco's more expensive. Actually, Mozza's in Tesco, quite similar. What's that?
Alex.
Oh, it's Alex.
I'll have to do that from Paint Our Dog.
Oh, burn. Get a life. So,
As we were saying.
so flour, cocoa powder, syrup. Oh, that's gonna. Is that for the cracknel? It is, isn't it? Sugar and butter. Basically, oh yeah. Explain how you got the recipe then.
So, when we were in year 11,
All
all years ago,
How
3
long
years
ago
ago.
is it now? Is it 4?
2016 we left.
Oh my god.
We all really wanted the recipe. We're like, we're never going to get this opportunity again, so I went and asked for it.
Do you reckon they still do it at school?
Bloody hope so. Well, doesn't actually matter to us, does it?
No, but it's shame for the other kids that haven't got to experience. So we're waiting for Chelsea, aren't we? What time is Chelsea's going to get here? She's joining the video. So this is Beth's first time on my channel.
Properly, yeah.
It is, isn't it? You've been in vlogs. It'll be the one that I'm uploading now.
Oh,
She'll be a big feature. Oh, actually, you'll see this afterwards. So Beth will be the big feature in my other one.
My second feature. My second big feature.
And then the holiday.
Hope you enjoyed the other one.
Yeah, the wax. They will have already seen it, hopefully. What do we need to put everything in? Just a pan?
No, we need 2 baking trays, like a bit of depth.
Beth's really good at maths. What did you get, an A star?
No, I actually got an A in maths and further maths.
Oh, wow. So she's clever.
GCSE and A level.
The person did it, did they do it wrong? I mean, they did, basically, it says
It's for 100
for
people.
100 people, which is taking the piss because we're going to make some for Monday for the girls at the airport. Alex will want one as well. Oh, keep Alex out.
That video, Fleur from Ready Steady Cook.
I don't know.
Baking and
I can't remember it. Are you trying to do a Scottish accent?
no, but she said she doesn't say flour. She goes Fleur.
That was so good.
Wooden spoon.
And we've got these. I have got a wooden spoon. What do we want to make? Which one takes longer? So if we start the longer
The
one,
cooking one probably takes
Okay,
longer.
well,
Well,
let's
the
do-
other one we have to put in the fridge. So when you put the cooking one in, it's done. The other one's in the fridge, so that's probably going to take longer.
Should we do
let's
cracknel
do
then?
cracknel first. So,
yeah, we'll do the best one first. What are we putting in first? Chef Bethany.
sugar. Let's see how much this is, and then we can decide. Because sugar, we can just.
I was going to say, you weighing it?
How much in it? Oh my god! But then we need equal of that of syrup. Do you know what I mean?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I think
How
she's
much
worked this out wrong, but
I haven't worked out the recipe was dodgy. But 8 seeds.
I don't think it's going to add much.
oh, that is
Stop.
so much.
It's not meant to be the whole bottle, so...
It's meant to be a.
Put the phone on
no! That's not okay. What is it on? Oh, so it nearly is on 8 to be fair.
That's.
Oh god, there's a layer there.
Now finally butter. We need the same again. So go to 0.
We'll get a spoon out there.
So much for a cava spotty.
Oh no. Oh god, that makes me feel so real.
Better.
Right on the hob. Cornflakes 3.9 ounces.
That's nothing.
Let's just figure this out first, and then we might pull it back out some more. 3 ounces.
3.9.
Oh!
Oh no.
Okay, so we add 2.5.
No, wait. What's half of
That's not
3.9?
2.5.
2.3.
What's half of 3.9? Wait, was it 3.9?
It's
Okay,
2.3.
so we need 1.9 to make it 1.5 ingredients.
Is it? No.
So I need to take some out.
It basically is. Half of 3, 1.5, half of 0.9, 0.45.
Right, we're going to have a quick run to the shop. Fuck. Have you drove?
Yeah.
Oh god, thank god. Right, let's go. I've got my sandals on. Well, they're not even my sandals. I don't know whose they are.
The purple socks.
I know. Right, we're gonna nip to Spark. Smells like
Take
flowers and Chinese.
Take away. Oh, from here. Right from here.
We've got the pound butter. Right, so we're back. We've got the butter.
Fresh. Spa. £1
Ooh.
butter. No.
Oh no, I can't. I don't, you can do the butter because I hate it.
Here you go. Go for it.
So moving on to the second one. The other one's setting in the fridge. How long did it take? Did she say?
No, it's hard. Is that broken?
Till it's hard.
God, that's serious.
Put your arm into it, Beth. What the frig is that? You haven't even popped them open.
I have. Are you joking? What is that? What is that?
Stop popping up. And get back over there. This one is supposed to be a coconut flavour, but I couldn't find any coconut.
Is that rinse the nut? Shell too.
She'll
too. They don't go any smaller.
She will do. Anyway, so yeah, this is supposed to be the coconut one, but we don't have any, so we're going to use Maltesers instead. I think that'll be quite nice, don't you? I think it might be quite nice. Right, let's crack on to the second one. Thank you, Cheryl.
We don't need the pan.
Just fucking wash that.
I just thought she was washing it to be a good person.
No, just pop that over there, please. If you would. Oh.
School memories, Ellie Jones. Lauren having a food fight.
Oh my god, there was one time in school, I wouldn't even really call it a food fight, it was probably the closest we ever got. It was when we was in year 11, wasn't it?
All that better.
No, I think it was year 10.
No, it was in the year 11 hall. So basically, in year 11 we got our own hall. Don't really know why they did that, very strange. No teacher, no supervision.
And then Ellie got a chair thrown at her.
They shall not talk about that. Pause to this,
Did you make it any more point blank?
and something caused some sort of food fight. Who was it?
It was you always starting doing this.
Oh yeah. I used to get a sandwich bag and just like whack it on the table. Don't know why.
I feel like it. I can't name names, but you know you are.
Don't know names, but say it to me from there.
He started it because he walked in the room from the, you know, the large hall. There was the two doors. He
Yeah.
opened that door, and then Lauren went to throw it at him, and then Mr. Tongs, who just did that sandwich?
I remember Lauren, all she did is she literally
Didn't
threw
throw
a
a
carrot.
sandwich.
No, she threw a little carrot, and she was like, "Guys, I'm just so scared.
camera,
Like,
shoot the CCTV.
I'm so scared. Like the cameras are gonna catch me, and I'm gonna get like suspended." No!
I love the split screen after. If it was Lurpak, I would, but
There's a bit of nerve back in the future.
let's not.
Hello, my pretty. But you dare roll your eyes at me.
Gives me the sniffles every time. I end up snotting all over your pillow.
Oh, we're gonna have cat hairs in this now.
No, you're not. She's not a Malta.
My finger is still burning.
You just spot a flower on the floor.
A spot of flour.
Fix all my problems.
We'll just we'll rub that into the ground. So you need to explain what you know. We haven't even explained ingredients, how we've done it.
Cream
How to
together,
make this.
butter
What's
and
with
sugar. We're going to be technical
Very, very.
until it was white. We've now added flour until it was this consistency.
So that's butter, sugar, and flour, yeah.
And now, next up, cornflakes and Maltesers.
Just
Mix
mixed
it.
together. That smells. It's exactly how. Oh no, just gone past. Oh, that smells so nice. Oh, my camera just fogged.
Why is it so?
Just
Another
going in.
quick, for the quick 5 minutes.
Nice. Ones. And this is how this one's looking.
Beautiful.
Ooh, the one's over there. Oh. Oh, that looks so fire. Right.
Okay. It is lovely. It's just pure sugar. As if they used to feed us this at school.
I know.
Step in my territory.
Ours is a bit like lighter than what it is. We could have put more cornflakes in defo. I think they leave it overnight though in the fridge. I can't believe it's actually eating sugar and syrup.
Fuck. Too much syrup, more
Ramen
corners.
It's like slidey, like
gonna
it's
slide
sliding off, like.
Them little babies.
See you on Monday. Bye.